Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Kid Naruto, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing in his hair. So we're going to come down on the bottom, in the middle, curving this up, on the left. We'll start in the center again, curving this around and through on the right, ending that at the same height. From that point on the top, let's curve this line down. And then again, from that point, we're going to tuck this back through to the top. Now let's extend this further out. So curving this over on a diagonal to the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. And then now from that point, just tucking this back through to the top. Let's draw on the face here. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down for the cheek. We'll do the same on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the chin. So from this line, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming into the middle. And then we'll replicate that on the right as well. Let's add in the eyes now. So stepping down from the middle, coming across, we're going to curve this line up and over to the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to add in a small diagonal line coming in from that corner. Let's just thicken that line up. So from that point, we're going to bring this up. And then from that edge, just curving this through, connecting that to the top of that line. And then we'll just color that in black. Now let's add in a half circle for the eye. So coming underneath from that inner edge, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and through on the left. And then we'll just do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in our highlight here. So on the inner corner, drawing in a circle. Let's draw in the pupil right in the middle. So underneath that, drawing in another circle right in the center. And then we'll just color in that center circle black. Let's add in the eyebrows now. So coming up above, we're just going to curve this around and in. Let's come in towards the middle for the nose. So stepping down to the left, a diagonal line coming out. And then we're going to tuck that in. And then we'll come across on the right, curving that nostril over. Let's come underneath our eye. We're just going to add in a straight line directly underneath. Let's add in the smile here. So coming down on the corner, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to curve this through on a diagonal towards the left. Let's add in the markings on the face. We're just going to draw a diagonal line on the top. Let's come down in the middle, replicating that. And then coming through underneath one more time to finish that off. Now let's draw in the hairline. So stepping down, curving that up to the top. For the ear, we're going to round this out, curving this over and in on the side. Now on the left and right hand side, we're going to arch this line into the cheek for the detailed line inside the ear. And then up above, we're just going to curve this back down. Let's add in some more details for the hair underneath. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. And then from that point, we're going to drag this diagonal line back up to the cheek. From that edge, drawing this diagonal line coming in on the bottom. And then again, we're going to pull this diagonal line through to the chin. Let's frame the top of the hair now. So on the side, we're going to draw a straight line coming out from the ear on both sides. And then from that point, let's pull this through to the top. Let's drag this back out to the side again. And now from that point, bringing this back into the middle. We're going to start to make these even bigger as we come through to the top. So again, another diagonal line. We're gonna make this wider as we pull this further through to the center. Let's flatten this out on each side now, dragging that up to the top. And then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in to the middle. Now from that point, let's bring that line back up to the top, creating a triangle to close that off. Let's draw on the neck. So from the chin stepping over, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line on each side, connecting that to the chin. Let's round the shoulders out here. So from that edge, we're just going to curve this line out. Now let's step down from that line, curving that through for the shoulder on the t-shirt. We're going to step in. So from that line, that point on a diagonal, let's come down, closing off the side of the body, tucking that down to the bottom of our page. And now we can close off that shirt line by curving this into that line. Let's step in. We're going to bring this line down to the bottom. Now let's come up from that edge, rounding that shoulder out, curving that up, adding in a small detailed line. Coming down on the sleeve, we're going to add a long diagonal line on the top. And then coming back down underneath, just a smaller one here. Now for the collar on the t-shirt, we're going to leave a gap, curving this all the way around and in on the right. And then stepping across again, curving this over and then through on the side. Right in the middle here, just going to draw in a small curved line. And then we're going to continue leaving a gap, curving that up on each side. Now for the symbol in the center, we're just going to draw in a circle. Let's come down in the middle. We're going to create a spiral. So curving this around, arching that over and through on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Kid Naruto. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.